The average energy of a neutron produced in fission of uranium-235 is 2 megaelectron-volt. That means these are fast neutrons and therefore have less tendency to cause fission. In order to facilitate fission reaction, there is need to slow them down. The job is done by moderator by transferring the energy with elastic collision to lighter nuclei. In nuclear reactors, water, solid graphite or heavy water are being used as moderators. The Apsara reactor at the Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Mumbai uses water as moderator. Other reactors in India uses heavy water as moderator. Control rods. Nuclear reaction, if not controlled, may lead to explosion. The catastrophe happened in Chernobyl reactor in Ukraine in the year 1986 remind us the necessity of having control on the nuclear fission reaction. Multiplication factor K help us to determine if the reaction is in control or not. K equals to 1 is required for sustained energy production. If K exceeds unity control, rods made of boron or cadmium are inserted in the reactor core up to desirable length. The rods have ability to absorb neutrons and therefore the nuclear reaction can be controlled, thereby bringing multiplication factor down unity. Safety rods. In addition to control rods, the reactors are provided with safety rods. These rods can be inserted into reactor in order to bring the value of K below unity, thus keeping the power generation safe. Coolant. Heat produced in the core is absorbed by coolant and then passes this energy to water in a heat exchanger so as to produce steam. Steam is used to drive turbine coupled with electric generator and hence electric energy is produced. In general, for ordinary temperature range, water or heavy water is used as coolant. However, at high temperature, liquid sodium is used as coolant. Shielding. Radiations emitted during nuclear fission are hazardous, and so the nuclear reactor is kept in concrete walls 2 meter to 2.5 meter thick so that radiations should not reach outside. Working. The cadmium rods are slowly removed so that slow-moving neutrons can cause fission of uranium-235 nuclei, generating energy. In the primary loop, coolant absorbs energy. The energy is transported at high temperature and pressure to the steam generator in secondary loop where evaporation of water takes place. Evaporation provides high pressure steam to operate the turbine and in turn drives the electric generator. The low pressure steam from the turbine is cooled and condensed to water and forced back into the steam generator. Advantages and disadvantages. Nuclear power plant is advantageous because of large energy production from a very small amount of nuclear fuel. However, there are problems such as disposal of radioactive nuclear waste, maintenance of equipments.
Problems associated with natural gas power plant. Since natural gas is a fossil fuel, its reserves are limited. It is necessary to use it carefully and only in the required amount. Electric energy generation and environment. Electricity generation based on fossil fuels like coal, natural gas, and nuclear fuels like uranium and plutonium are not eco-friendly as they lead to environmental degradation. Also, coal and natural gas are limited in nature. Their indiscriminate use can lead to energy crisis. Electricity generation from water reservoir, wind, sunlight, biofuels, etc. does not lead to environmental degradation and are also never-ending sources. Therefore, electricity generated through these sources can be called environment-friendly or green energy.
Hydroelectric power plant. In this session, we will study about hydro energy, review the history of hydroelectric power plant, study the working principle of hydroelectric power plant, and specify the advantages and disadvantages of hydroelectric power plant. Hydroenergy. Hydroenergy is the energy generated by the force of water. This is a powerful way of generating electricity. The hydro energy is converted into electric energy by hydroelectric power plant, and this energy is called as hydroelectricity. History of hydroelectric power plants. World's first hydroelectric power plant was built across the Fox River in Appleton, Wisconsin in US in the year 1882. India's first hydroelectric power plant was commissioned in 1887 at Sidrapong, Darjeeling in West Bengal. India's largest hydroelectric power plant is located across the river Koyna in Maharashtra. It has a capacity of producing 1920 megawatt electricity. Bhakra Nangal is the biggest dam in India as well as the world's highest straight gravity dam. The working principle of hydroelectric power plant. In this power plant, production of electricity depends upon the height of the water from ground level, volume of the water flowing per unit time, and efficiency of the turbines. Hydroelectric power plant requires a water reservoir. So these plants are constructed near big dams. Water stored in dams has potential energy. The water under pressure is carried by penstock and supplied to the turbine through the inlet valve. Penstock is a pipe made up of steel or concrete. A surge tank reduces the excessive water force on the penstock. Here, trash rack prevents the debris from getting entry into the powerhouse. Due to the force of water, the turbine starts rotating, due to which mechanical energy is produced. The shaft from the turbine is connected to the generator. Therefore, the generator produces the electricity. The voltage of this electricity is raised by using a transformer and is transferred by the distribution lines. After running the turbine, the water is passed to the downstream water level by draft tube. The demand of electricity varies by day and night as well as among the seasons. Hence, there is a need to store the energy so that it can be used at the time of high electricity demand. This can be done by using pump storage process. Advantages and disadvantages of hydroelectric power plant.